Welcome, traders. Dr. Keither in for Rob. It is Wednesday, May 14th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, so I wanted to shoot this video here today, folks, because it's always great to when we join the live training room, right? To have some great trades and show you the setups and what we really liked about them. And as we know, not every trade's going to be a winner. It's about managing that risk, and that's really what I like to teach you in the WealthCharts live training room. But today was just a fantastic example, folks, of me not wanting to take a trade. And why is that? So this is the S&P on the 1 minute, folks. Okay. And okay, I always wait at the 9:30 open. I always wait the first 10 minutes or so before I start looking for trades. And then the market started to roll over a little bit. We had, again, some disagreement between time frames and that. So, I didn't get aggressive in the shorts. But after that, folks, look at this between 9:30 and 11 in that live training room. You see this chop. Okay, back and forth, back and forth. And so, it's not as sexy, right? When you're in the training room from 9:30 to 11 Eastern and we have no trades. But it was such a great teaching moment, folks, because, people kept trying to jump the gun and they kept saying, yeah, I got wicked out here, I got wicked out here, and so forth. Sometimes the best trade is the one you don't take, right? We're trying to manage our risk. We're trying to look for the best setups. And as I mentioned in the live training room all the time, trading is your own business. You're the ones that make decisions, and these decisions affect your balances, right? So we watched this play out, folks, all throughout the morning, the 9:30 to 11 session with no trades. And many, many folks said, thank you. That's what I've been looking for is, I'm new to trading, or more than that, even experienced traders, these are the days I lose money. Well, we were flat. We didn't lose a dime. And now my hope is tomorrow we'll go in, Thursday. The live training room is at 8 o'clock Eastern on Thursdays, that now we can look for those better setups, okay? And by the way, I'll be requesting another payout here tonight. And so again, it's all about being consistent in your trading. Now, those of you that want to learn some of these techniques, you want to understand when it is a good time to take a trade, when is a good time to sit on your hands. If you go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. So becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Friday at 10 Eastern, okay? I'm going to do a training. I'm going to show you, again, how I use Heikin-Ashi in my trading, my day trading, specifically for prop trading. And when it's time to sit on your hands, what type of setups do we look for? So again, this is Friday, May 16th at 10 o'clock Eastern. So make sure you get registered. I'm really excited to kind of show you, from there, go over, again, I have a payout request today. We'll hopefully know by then if that's been approved or not as well. So other than that, folks, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.